Police in Busia County have seized 22 bags of cannabis worth more than 35 million shillings alongside methamphetamine valued at 21 million shillings in the past month. Busia County Police Commander Robinson Lagat says the drugs were brought into Kenya from a neighboring country through illegal routes. Lagat has credited close cooperation between police and residents for helping authorities intercept the narcotics, saying information from the public has played a key role in the seizures. The police are now intensifying efforts to curb the illegal drug trade in the border county as authorities continue to target routes used to smuggle narcotics into the country.
Hii kesi yote tulikuwa na washukiwa ambao walishikwa ambao wako hiyo kesi yote wako before court as we speak now. Tarehe 5 mwezi huu tuliweza kunasa madawa mengine inaitwa methamphetamine ambayo ilikuwa 2.65 kgs with street value of 21 million 250,000. Hiyo ilinaswa kwa stage ya gari hapa Busia na ilikuwa inatoka Kampala.